represent Solomon Island people say. We people start originally from my homeland. Like my old man said, there's nothing impossible. So we have to bring this message to my brother Lyrical. Straight from the crew, out to the blue. We represent the voices of my ancestors calling. And I was getting more than my culture is falling. Now we have a step up for the past 20 calling.
Once down, once it's stop, ain't nobody gonna stop us. People, everybody, would you listen to us for a start? No point complaining in this we partaking. We represent the cause of the ones falling. We resemble true art. When we bust the line, flip the rabbits from my heart. No, there's never gonna be another. Everybody stop portraying undercover.
Come through, see my land. Come through, see my land. My land.
Hear what we stand for, see what we strive for. All these lyrics stressing out struggles in the metaphor. We've been through it all, every day crying, but we held on to that one silver line. Hoping and praying, the one that will be heard. The signs that we illustrate, we know what's gonna be said. If you could take your time to stop and feel the pain and the scars that have already been healed.
We bear the stakes to retrieve the context as we take another step up for a bullet train race. With all due respect to those before us, hold up the names and the marks of our ancestors. And if we fall, rise up to the call. Believe with all our hearts so we can take control. Oh, we can make it, oh, we can make it. If you let us be what we can be, now we can take it. Come through, see my land. Come through, see my land. Ramu kanji, ramu leke ramu gole ramu sosa. Come to see my land, come to see my land, my land.
Rewind, remix, Ramu kanji, we have to take it back to 007. Rewind, remix, Ramu kanji, we have to take it back to 007. Okay man, this is pretty way man. Me and me convey man for remix in a song, yeah. Me know can you come from the sun, no you come from the moon. Ramu kanji in the house, everybody come back now.